In our Money Lead, it's time for our Business Leaders series, where we talk to small business owners coast to coast about the impact of President Trump's tariffs that he pledged on the campaign trail and throughout this past year would bring manufacturing jobs back to America. So let's check back with the very first factory we visited to talk about these tariffs with the owner, Drew Greenblatt, the CEO of Marlin Steel, just up by 95 in Baltimore, Maryland. Joins me now. Drew, thanks so much. You were enthusiastic about the potential of the tariffs when they were announced, and business was going well the last time we checked in with you. How are things now? You still feel the same way?
Well, the numbers are in. We had our best year ever in 2025. So we are so excited about 2026. It's going to be even better in 2026. We just bought the most expensive tool we've ever bought. It's a laser punch. It's going to be installed in this factory in about 2 months. We can't wait for it to come. It's going to make our team go 10 times faster than they're currently going. They're moaning in China. They're going to be sad in Mexico because we're going to be building here in America. We're going to be buying a lot of American steel, and we're going to be able to export to many more countries. We're going to be much more competitive. So we're leaning in. We bought another 3D bender from our vendor in Chicago, and we've also bought a couple forklift trucks, and we've also bought a couple more press brakes. So we're very enthusiastic about the future. Times are going to be good.
So it sounds like you're adding a lot of new equipment to your factory, which is fantastic. Have you been able to add new jobs? Have you been able to grow your business?
Absolutely. We're hiring people. We're hiring locally in our factory in Indiana, in our factory in Michigan, and here in this factory in Baltimore City. We're paying great wages. We offer great health insurance. Manufacturing jobs are extraordinary jobs. This is how we pull people up from poverty and into the middle class.
Have you had to raise prices at all?
So we have raised prices because steel costs have ooched up over the year. But I think we're now leveling off. We're now getting jobs that we never, ever would have had an opportunity to take a look at because all of a sudden people are recalibrating. They're saying, really, should I buy from China? Should I buy from Mexico? Should I buy from Canada? Should I buy from Europe? No, let's buy in America because all of a sudden the prices are more level. We're getting opportunities we never had, and because of that, we're hiring people and we're buying equipment. We're leaning in. 2026 is going to be the best year ever, and it's going to even beat our 2025, which was our best year ever.
So as you know, not every factory is thriving right now, and we've spoken to a lot of people who do not feel about the tariffs the way that you do. It depends, obviously, on the size, the industry. Do you have any advice for those business owners about how to navigate the system to their advantage?
Well, if you're making it in America, you don't have tariffs. If you don't have to deal with customs duties, you don't have to wait for the boat to come across the ocean. You're enriching your local community. So I implore people to buy American. I implore people to build your factories in America. You don't have the drama of buying from overseas. You don't have them stealing intellectual property from overseas. The American worker needs opportunities. Build in America. It's good for your community. It's good for the locals. I think it's an astute policy for local companies and local governments to encourage building in the USA.
Drew Greenblatt, CEO of Marlin Steel in Baltimore, Maryland. Thanks so much.
Thank you.